Hello everyone, my name is ANANDARAJ. I am from Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Bukit Jambul. I am from Penang, Malaysia. There are 17 UN SDGs. I have chosen the one my heart follows, which is UN SDG 14, Life Below Water. Our story, space, science and technology for better future. The year is 2022. Our earth is in danger. Pollution over conflicts, wars and natural disasters threaten to tear our very existence. Animals, plants and humans all fall under this tragic day situation. Our rivers are congested stockpiles of waste. Our lakes are drying up. The seas choke with rubbish. Sea life and animal life ceasing to exist. Is this our gift for future generations? Children of the future will only see what animals, plants, and what our earth was like in movies and pictures. We must act now. This is my video contribution for the betterment of our world with science and technology, in line with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals guided by Senior Exam. Our seas and ocean harbors millions of species of aquatic life, the main food source of many nations. Pollution has met the ecology in these habitats, and recently a plastic bag was seen in the Mariana Trench, which is known to be the deepest part of the ocean. We must use our knowledge and science to rectify this. For solid waste, we can dredge the seas using pumps and nets. Shores can be cleaned up as well using manpower and garnering the support and help of the populace. Good education regarding waste management should be offered to the people with stringent laws and enforcements to ensure rubbish is disposed of correctly. The chemical pollutions need to be addressed more strictly, and it should be enforced strictly. Waste productions going into drains will eventually lead into our waterways. These products need to be purified before emptying into the drains. We could use the help of harmless bacterium that can break down plastic to harmless materials. Plastic is destructive to the environment as it takes a long time to dissolve, and it is filters into the sea and can endanger sea life. We can use our knowledge to find greener ways to reduce pollution generated from industries. Using solar powers and wind turbines, we can generate green energy which would reduce the needs of fossil fuel, the byproducts of which usually filter into our waterways and cause pollutions. Space age technology can be incorporated into the building industry with the introductions of new materials like fur made from recycled steel dust from the steel industry. These materials usually end up in a landfill. Surface runoff from a landfill would eventually lead to the rivers and seas. It is stronger than concrete and traps carbon dioxide as part of its drying and hardening process. In conclusion, I feel that sufficient knowledge and the support given by Senior Exam, we can challenge the scourge of pollution on our land nationally and internationally with all their collaborations. In short, we will succeed in making our world healthy again in general and our life below water alive again, specifically as per my topic. Thank you for watching my story. We, the children of the future, can help save the seas and the earth. Thank you.